Hey fam, it's Miss D here to keep you in step with an instructional video on your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing boots on the ground, and I know you can't believe there are some people that still don't have it, but don't worry, that's what I'm here for. I got you. So before we get started though, I did want to show some of you guys how to pop your fan, right? So the best way is make sure put your thumb on the wooden part of your fan, and then you just let it fall out your hand, okay? Now, to get that popping sound, you want to flick your wrist when you do it. So it's just like that. That's how you get that pop sound, okay? Now, pay no attention to my raggedy fan. I've had this thing for a long time. Before boots on the ground was a thing. It's great for hot flashes. All right, so let us start. This is a 4-wall dance, and there are 4 counts of 8. So we'll go through each count, all right? First count of 8, I'll call this the side step. It starts this way. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, the second count of 8 is the footwork. So let me show you this. It starts right, tap front, tap side, tap back, tap side, okay? All with the right foot. Tap front, tap side, tap back, tap side. From here, you're gonna take this right foot, cross over the left, step out with the left, take the left, cross over to the right, step out with the right, okay? So let's do the footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap front, tap side, tap back, tap side, cross step out, cross step out. Very good. Okay? So now let's put steps or counts 1 and 2 together. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Tap front, side, back, side, cross step out, cross step out. All right? That's 2 counts of 8 already done. All right? So now let's go to the third count of 8. The third count of 8 are the turns. So it's a quarter turn and a half turn. All right? First turn. So we just crossed and stepped out. We're going to take this foot that's out and step up with the little rock. Right, left, rock front and back. And then the quarter turn to the side with the foot that's up, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. All right, right, left, right. So we just cross, step out. So we're going to pick it up, rock and back, turn, right, left, right, to the side. That's a quarter turn. Now, the next turn is the half turn. That's the about face. So you're going to pick up with the left front, then back, and you're going to turn about face with the left 3 steps the same way. Left, right, left. Okay? And that's your half turn. All right? So let's start from the quarter turn. Step right, step left. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do those turns one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock front and back, turn 1, 2, 3. Front and back, turn 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. So now let's put the footwork and the turns together. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, side, back, side, step, cross out, step, cross out. Now rock, back, turn to the side, rock, back, turn to the back. Okay? Got it? Good. All right. So that's the 3 counts. The last count, the 4th count, we're going to call the pop, because that's where you pop the fans. So we just did our half turn. And so now we're going to step with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's left, I'm sorry, that's right, left, right, left. Okay? Now you can travel or do it in place. It just depends on the space you got, where you hanging out. Okay? So after those 4 steps, and then you're going to pop the fan or pop your hip for a count of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And all that you're doing is you're turning your knee, you're turning your leg, the hip will follow, okay? And you do that for a count of 4, okay? So let's do that. We just did our half turn. 1, 2, I'm sorry, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And step 2, 3, 4, and pop, 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 pop. All right. Now, if you don't have a fan, you can just, do whatever you want to do with your hands. All right. Just pop it. Just have fun. Just have fun. All right. So those are the 4 counts. So let's go through them again. First count, the side step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second count, footwork. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third count, the turns. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the fourth count, the pop. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That is it. Now, let us do it nonstop. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. All right? Have fun. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Tap front, tap side, tap back, tap side. Cross step out, cross step out. Now rock it back, turn to the right, rock it back, turn to the left, and step 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, ta 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 ta. Whoa, 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 whoa! I got my boots on the ground. Where the fans at? Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, oh! I got my boots on the ground. Where the fans at? Y'all see I like this dance, right? I hope you like it too. If you like, please share, make a comment, subscribe to the channel so I can bring you more of these instructional videos. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Have fun. Get out there, dance. No more on the sidelines. You got this. Mwah! Bye.